Beer don't start nothing but the party. Beer don't taste half as good in the city. Beer don't buzz with that hip-hop cuss, but it dang sure does with a little nitty-gritty. Beer don't buzz, let's say Monday to Friday. Beer don't wanna sit in a glass, so send it my way. We might drink way too many of them at the bar, and people got their own opinion of how redneck we are. But beer don't, no, beer don't. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blitz Guitar Lessons. This is how to play Beer Don't by Morgan Wallen from his new album, Dangerous. Anyway, this is like the best album ever, I think. It's super good. Anyway, if you guys have other requests, let me know, because this song was requested, so I'm happy to oblige as much as I can. I know I've got a couple more to in the pipeline, but I'll get to them as soon as I can, so rest easy, all right? So please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come up with new tutorials. If you have questions, let me know in the comments, and your requests, let me know in the comments as well, okay? This song is very easy to play. There's only 3 chords for it. The strumming pattern is the same throughout the whole song. I'm going to show you what the chords are, how to play the chords, and I'm going to show you where you play them, and the strumming pattern as well, okay? So let's get into it. Standard tuning, capo on the 4th fret, all right? So with fingering, whenever there's a capo on it, everything is in relation to the capo. So like 1st fret would be right here, because you can't place the 1st fret up here. So, okay, so let's get into this. The song is awesome, I love it. So there's only these 3 chords. You're gonna do A, okay? You're gonna do G. I do this G just because it's easier, but it's up to you what you wanna do, okay? And this one's like D over F sharp, although I'm not playing it totally right because I think it's gonna be way too hard for most of you beginners. So this one is, you come down here, D over F sharp. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to play each of these. So A, okay? Put your middle finger, you can play these other ways if you find it useful, but I'm just showing you how I'd play it. So middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pinky finger goes on the 2nd fret on the B string, okay? All right, then, and I mute the big E string with it, but you don't have to. Just depends, but it's up to you. All right, so then for G, pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. For the D over F sharp is what we're calling it, but that's not actually totally right. So you're gonna put on the 3rd fret, all right, you're gonna play it like just like C, but you're gonna move it down 2 frets. All right, so if you're doing C, you're gonna go down 2 frets. Okay, so pointer finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. Your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then your ring finger goes on the 5th fret on the A string. Sorry about that. Okay. Anyway, so that's how you play that one. So, the way you're gonna play the song is you're gonna do A, G, A, G, D over F sharp, A, D, G, A, G, D over F sharp, okay? So that's what you're gonna do the whole song. It's that same, it's just A, G, D over F sharp, okay? So it goes down, down, up, 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 just like that. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, so that's the strumming pattern, and it doesn't change throughout the song. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna play A, G, D over F sharp. So you're gonna play that. It's the same like singular thing the whole time. So you play that twice with no lyrics, okay? And then you're gonna start, and what I would just do is when you play the verses, I would play it a little bit softer. You can do that by playing like these strings down here, so like the G, B, and a little E, okay? So you can do that. Especially, you can also play the D, but it'll sound, you can just do, but for this song especially, you can, or you can just play it softer, so you can just do map dot southern rock, butt sharp stop sign, Grizz pack, metal rank, channel cat, a trot line. Okay, so you can just do, so you're just gonna do A on map, dot, southern rock, buckshot. Buckshot is G. So you do A on map, buckshot on G, buckshot, stop sign, grizz. Grizz is A, grizz, pack, mantle, rack, channel. Okay, channel cat. So you do is G, channel is G, channel cat, trot. Trot is D over F sharp. Trot line. Then you go to A right after trot line. Pipes is A. Pipes ain't Bristol, but they're pretty. Okay, so you do pretty. They're pretty, like the end of there. You're gonna do G. Pretty loud though. Round is A. Round here the sun goes. Okay, goes is G. Goes down slow. Slow is D over F sharp. Slow. But beer don't. Then you're gonna do but beer. Beer is A. But beer don't. A G. Okay, so this is the only time where you don't do A G D sharp. You just go A G D over F sharp. So you do but beer don't G D over F sharp. Then you go to the second, to like the second part of the first verse. And you're just gonna do home base. That's a pretty spot at a party spot at the Walmart. Okay, so home is A. Home base. That's a party spot. Spot is G. Spot at the Walmart. Second. Okay, second is A. Second base in the parking lot. Lot is G. Lot at the ballpark is D over F sharp. Okay, ballpark. Sweet. Okay, so you do sweet is A. Sweet cherry pie slice in is G. In the boondocks. Skillets is A. Skillets and the engines and the women is G. Women stay hot. Hot is D over F sharp. Okay, but beer don't. Okay, then you go right into the chorus, and for the chorus you're just gonna play it louder, like I said. So you're gonna do but beer is A. Beer don't start nothing is G. Nothing but the party. Beer A on beer. Beer don't taste half as good as G, so easy to remember. Good in the city. City is D over F sharp. City. Beer is A. Beer don't buzz with that hip hop. Okay, so hip is G. Hip hop but a dang. I'm censoring it, but it's dang is A. Dang show does with a little. Little is G. Little nitty gritty. Gritty is D over F sharp. Gritty. Beer. Okay, then beer is A. So it looks like pretty much every time in this beer is A. Beer don't want us sit. Beer don't bust. It's A. A. So on the A word, you're gonna play G. A Monday to Friday. Beer. Okay, then beer is A again. Beer don't wanna sit in a glass. Glass is G. Glass, so slide it my way. My way is D over F sharp. My way. And then after way, you're gonna do A. We might. Okay, so we is A. We might drink way too. We might drink way too many of them. Of them is gonna be G. Of them at the bar. People. Okay, people is A. People got their own opinion of how. How is G. How redneck we are. R is D over F sharp. But beer don't. So you do, but beer don't. And then the interlude here in between is just that same as the intro. But beer don't G. Beer don't G. D over F sharp. Then you go into the next verse, which is just big boss on your back, about to get a cuss out. Okay, just like that. So the second verse is the same as the first one. The second chorus is the same as the first one. Then after the second chorus, you do that interlude thing again where you just play the intro. And then there's the bridge, which is really just like a third verse because it's not any different. So you're just going to do A, G, D over F sharp over and over there. Okay, same with the last chorus. When you end the song, you can just end it on, yeah, beer done. So the way that I'm doing that, you don't have to do that, but you could just do, or something like that, or, all right, but you're gonna do, so what I do, it's hard to do this on an acoustic guitar a little bit, but you're gonna, so when you do it, you kind of like bend them around, see that? How those strings are moving, so. I'm not doing it with my pinky, I'm just doing it with the top two. Just that way, because that's how the song ends, is just that. So anyway, it's hard to do those bends on an acoustic guitar, especially with a capo on there, but it's just kind of a fun way to end it. So anyway, you just end it on, just like that. anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun teaching the song to you guys and learning it. And yeah, let me know if you have any requests. See you next time.